Hi, my name is Krista Dickman, and today I'm going to show you how to create an assignment by adding a link and a Google form. So first of all, I've already copied my URL for the link that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this green positive up until I get to create assignment and click on it. And the assignment I am going to have my students do today is read a book called Harry the Dirty Dog. So after completing that, my instructions are going to be listen to the story and take quiz. So now I'm going to scroll down, and my due date I'm going to put in for March 19th. My topic is comprehension. And now I'm going to go to these little icons down here, and I'm going to go to the link button. And I've already copied my URL, so I'm just going to paste it in there and add the link. And then I'm going to go back and hit the Google Drive icon. And now I'm going to go to my recents, and I'm going to click on the comprehension quiz. And now I'm going to add it. And then I'm going to scroll down, and I am going to assign it. And if I scroll down a little bit, there it is. So hopefully this helped you. Thanks for listening.